Hello darlings, for today's video I'll be unboxing and trying on products from the 2024 Ipsy 25 Days of Glam Advent Calendar. It's packed with 25 surprise beauty presents plus an extra 26th treat for the ultimate holiday countdown. Worth over $700, it's all yours for just $199. Let's take a look at what's inside. Day 1 is the Mercier Translucent Pure Setting Spray. Day 2 is the Wonder Lip Retreat Oil. Day 3 includes a 6-piece set of Kitsch scrunchies. Day 4 is the Byroe Treatme Chamomile Tea Face Cleanser. In Day 5, we have a travel size treasure, the Rodial Glass Highlighter. Day 6 is the Spectrum Mini Domed Powder Brush. Day 7 is the Gxve Lala Beauty Mascara. Day 8 includes the Tula Skincare Gold Glowing Get It Eye Balm. Day 9 is another mini product, the Maison Louis Marie No. 13 Perfume. Behind Day 10, we have the Silky Hair Detangler Spray. Day 11 is the Bobbi Brown Dual-Ended Longwear Cream Shadow Stick. Day 12 is the Grown Alchemist Polishing Facial Exfoliant. The 13th day features the Half-Caked Double Dipper Color Duo. Day 14 is another product by Half-Caked, the Script Primer and Lip Liner. Day 15 is the Hey Honey Love Your Body Lotion. Day 16 includes a deluxe sample of the Jasmine Beauty Coastal Chic Mattifying Primer. Day 17 is the travel size version of Benefits Plush Tint. Inside the 18th day, we have the First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair Face Moisturizer with Sunscreen. Day 19 is the Gxve Lightweight Longwear Matte Liquid Lipstick. The last big door is Day 20, which includes the Alchemist Dynamic Resurfacing Night Cream. Day 21 is the Szechuan Hair Repair Treatment. Day 22 is the mini-sized Dr. Barbara Sturm Hyaluronic Serum. Day 23 is the Kosmetic Brow Gel Fix. For day 24, or Christmas Eve, we have the Tatcha Indigo Cleansing Balm. And behind door 25, we have two palettes by Morphe, the 9B and 9W. Now that we've unboxed everything, let's try out some of the products we received. First up, we have the Treatme Chamomile Tea Face Cleanser. This claims to refresh, illuminate, and hydrate. The scent is so calming, and surprisingly, there are some exfoliating particles in here as well. Next, I'm using the Grown Alchemist Polishing Facial Exfoliant. This contains finely milled bamboo particles for mild physical exfoliation. Unfortunately, it has way too much fragrance for my liking. Now let's try the Dr. Barbara Sturm Hyaluronic Serum. This is the 3 milliliter size, and the 10 milliliter size retails for $110. After that, I'm testing the Tula Skincare Gold Glow and Get It Eye Balm. I've never used an eye balm like this. It feels really cooling and looks super glowy. From day 18, we have the First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair Face Moisturizer with Sunscreen. I really love First Aid Beauty moisturizers, and this one is great for wearing out and about because it has SPF. Next, I'm applying the Wander Beauty Lip Retreat Oil. I also already have this, and it's very nourishing. That was basically every step for a skincare routine, so now let's move on to makeup. We have the Jasmine Beauty Coastal Chic Mattifying Primer. I would have personally preferred to have received a primer that was just more beneficial to more skin types. Next is the Rodial Glass Highlighter from day 5. This is a liquid highlighter, so I'm applying it underneath my foundation. The applicator makes it look like it's an eye product, but it's not. Now we have the Half-Caked Double Dipper Duo. It features a matte and shimmery bronzer. I'm applying this with the Spectrum Mini Domed Powder Brush from day 6. I'm using the matte shade to contour. The brush is really quite soft. After that, I'm setting my brows with the Kosmetic Brow Gel Fix. This is an interesting applicator because only one side has bristles. To set everything else in place, I'm using the Mercier Translucent Pure Setting Spray. The sprayer is just okay, but it doesn't have any scent, so that's a plus. Now let's decide between the Morphe 9B and 9W. I'm feeling the smoke and shadow vibe today, so I'm going with the 9W. First, I'm dipping into the matte black shade called Lights Off. I'm applying this to the outer corner of my eye. Next, I'm grabbing the gray shade called Steal Away. I'm applying this along the edge of the black. This is definitely one of the best gray eyeshadows I've ever used. Finally, I'm picking up the shimmery shade called Silver Storm. I'm adding this all over my lid. For mascara, we have the Gxve Lala Beauty Mascara. The applicator is similar to Benefit's Bad Gal Bang, but I would say it's slightly larger. Finally, I'm applying the Gxve Lightweight Longwear Matte Liquid Lipstick. This is in the shade Original Recipe. This is the perfect red lip for the holidays. Here's the finished look using products from the 2024 Ipsy 25 Days of Glam Advent Calendar. As always, please give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you'd like to see more. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time.